You can write code on most laptops, but how do you find a laptop for programming that will greatly improve your security and productivity? Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 laptops for programming on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for something easy to use on the go or just want the best laptop for programming possible, we'll have the perfect product for you. So if you're interested in finding out which laptop for programming will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the HP Spectre X360, our pick for best laptop for programming students. The HP Spectre X360 laptop is perfect for students working their way up in the programming and development field that need a machine that can handle a multitude of processes, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. The Spectre's 2-in-1 design is a benefit to students looking to develop apps with mobile devices in mind. It features an aluminum chassis with sturdy 180-degree hinges that let you switch into tablet mode and back again with no side-to-side play, promising good long-term durability. With a quick fold, the vivid edge-to-edge 13.5-inch WUXGA panel becomes an impressive touchscreen tablet. This is great for quickly showing off a prototype or getting a feel for how your project works in real time. The Spectre X360 also impresses with a comfortable backlit keyboard and a generously sized touchpad. The Spectre X360 is a fast, coding-oriented computer that can make it easier for you to get projects done and help you actually enjoy the process along the way. Under the hood, the Spectre X360 offers an Intel i5 or i7 processor with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, and either 8 or 16 GB of RAM, and an SSD with up to 2 TB of capacity. This kind of power, especially with the higher-end components, makes the Spectre X360 an easy recommendation for anyone looking for a laptop that's suitable for programming. And if you enjoy working away from your desk, there's even more good news, as the Spectre X360 offers an impressive 12 hours of battery life. And to connect up your external drives, additional displays, or any other peripheral you might want to use, the Spectre X360 is decked out with plenty of connectivity options, including 2 Thunderbolt ports, an HDMI 2.0 port, a super speed USB Type-A port, a headphone microphone combo jack, and more. If you're a programming student looking for a great tool to work with, the HP Spectre X360 is an excellent choice. You'll get the benefits of powerful hardware components, a flexible 2-in-1 design, and great battery life, so you won't always have to be plugged in. Next up, the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Extreme. The Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Extreme gives you excellent quality and configuration options that let you put together a system that's perfect for programming work. The X1 Extreme marries elegant design to solid performance, with the base configuration offering a 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 FHD IPS display. You can upgrade the display all the way up to a 15.6-inch UHD 3840 by 2160 IPS or OLED display with support for HDR and Dolby Vision. The action of the 2-level backlit keyboard is quiet on the whole, but provides firm but snappy tactile feedback that feels good and helps to resist fatigue, which is important when it comes to writing and editing lines and lines of code. Below the keyboard is a touchpad that offers smooth, accurate operation. For internal hardware, the base configuration offers an Intel i7 processor that you can bump up to an i9 for maximum computing power. Graphics are handled by an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti Max-Q with 4 GB of onboard memory across all configurations, and internal RAM ranges from 8 GB on the low end to a maximum of 64 GB. For file storage, the X1 Extreme offers SSDs with capacities that range from 512 GB to 1 TB. To connect up any peripherals you need while you're coding, the X1 Extreme offers 2 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, an HDMI port, an audio jack, and an SD card slot. For battery life, you can expect between 12 and 15 hours on a full charge. If you're looking for a versatile, solidly built laptop for programming work, the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Extreme is a very good choice. The X1 Extreme is solidly built and offers versatile configuration options that let you build the programming laptop that best suits your needs, or you could choose from several pre-configured systems that offer different levels of performance. Next up, the Dell XPS 15, our pick for best overall laptop for programming. The Dell XPS 15 combines a stunning design, excellent build quality, and some of the most powerful mobile components you'll find in a laptop that makes it one of the best overall laptops you can get for programming. Like the new Dell XPS 13 before it, the Dell XPS 15 refines one of the best laptop designs ever made to near perfection. Its slim chassis is as sleek as ever, with a smooth silver aluminum lid and sharp 0.71-inch edges that contrast nicely with the soft-touch keyboard deck inside it. This laptop is a great choice for programming, coding, and development, and its highly portable form factor and excellent battery life of up to 8 hours makes it perfect for coding from coffee shops or consulting on the go. And to make extended coding sessions easier, the high-resolution 15.6-inch FHD Plus display offers a resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio that gives you extra display height, so you'll be able to see more lines of code at once. The Intel i7 processor will give you the muscle you need to accelerate tasks like sorting, searching, looping, compiling, or running a virtual machine. Of course, some of these tasks are shared with the discrete NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphics card, and to keep everything stable and fluid, the XPS 15 is outfitted with 16 GB of RAM. Internal storage for files and code libraries needs to be fast, so the XPS 15 is equipped with a 512 GB SSD. To add peripherals, a good variety of connectivity options include a USB-C 3.1 port with DisplayPort, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a 3.5mm headphone/mic combo jack, and a full-size SD card reader. If you've been looking for a laptop for your coding projects that's both portable and powerful, the Dell XPS 15 is an excellent choice. Its powerful hardware components will chew through pretty much any workload you throw at it, and the extra height on the display will make long coding sessions a little easier. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drop, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like, and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next, the MacBook Pro 14-inch, our pick for best premium laptop for programming. For programming, the Apple MacBook Pro has the powerful hardware and performance you need to stay on top of your game. This premium laptop has the staying power to get the job done, and remains one of the most powerful and innovative machines on the market. The 14-inch Retina display is gorgeous, and the bezels framing the screen have been reduced in size for a cleaner look. The quiet and responsive Magic Keyboard features quiet operation and offers a full 1mm of travel, so it feels responsive and great to type on, which is important to maintain a good level of accuracy when coding. Internal components see the Intel chips being replaced by Apple's proprietary M1 chip and neural engine that ramp up performance more than ever, improving everything from overall processing speed and optimization to faster and smoother handling of demanding tasks. The M1 chip works with a GPU that you configure up to 32 cores and up to 64 GB of unified memory, so all the programming tasks you work on are fast and fluid. An SSD of up to 8 TB gives you super fast, instant access to apps and files. To connect up other devices, you'll get 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, DisplayPort Thunderbolt, a USB 3.1 port, an HDMI port, and an SDXC card slot. And when it comes to laptop sound, the Apple MacBook Pro breaks the mold with a 6-speaker sound system that produces stereo sound with natural-sounding low end. And when it comes to battery life, the MacBook Pro outperforms the Dell XPS 15 with up to 17 hours on a full charge, so you'll never have to be tethered to a power outlet. If you're looking for a great laptop for programming, the Apple MacBook Pro is an excellent choice. It's portable, powerful, and up to the task when it comes to programming, web development, and more. Last but not least, the LG Gram 17-inch. If you're looking for a large-screen laptop for coding, the LG Gram 17 is a great option and is ready to make all of your programming tasks a little easier and a lot more pleasant to get through. While a laptop like the Dell XPS 15 can be considered a powerful laptop that offers a certain degree of style, the Gram is more focused on pure function, with a greater emphasis on productivity. But as far as portability goes, the Gram and the XPS 15 are on the same page. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600, the Gram 17-inch screen is beautifully sharp, and the benefits of the 16 by 10 aspect ratio give it a large amount of screen real estate that really proves itself useful when it comes to programming. The keyboard is satisfyingly punchy, with each key press giving strong feedback to ensure typing never becomes a chore. The Gram is no slouch under the hood either, and includes an Intel i7 processor that does a great job at multitasking, allowing you to juggle multiple projects on the go simultaneously. Everything you see on screen is rendered by the integrated Intel Iris Plus graphics, and the system resources are boosted by 16 GB of RAM. For internal storage, the Gram provides you with a generous 2 TB SSD that rounds out a powerful system that can cover any programming or web development tasks with ease. Connectivity options include 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4 support, 2 USB-A ports, a full-size HDMI port, a microSD card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And when it comes to battery life, the Gram's 19 hours is only beat by the MacBook Pro's 21 hours. If you're looking for a large-screen laptop specifically for Windows-based programming, the 17-inch LG Gram is hard to beat. You'll get plenty of screen area to work with, excellent performance, and great battery life. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.